Here's how to update Visual Studio Code on your computer. Staying up to date means you get the latest features, bug fixes, and security patches. Let's get it done in just a couple minutes. If this helps, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks. First, let's see what version you're running. Click on Help in the top menu bar and then click About. You'll see your version number right there. Go ahead and close that window. If Help is not showing, click the three dots to make it appear. Now click on Help again and this time click Check for updates. If you're already on the latest version, it'll tell you. But if there's an update available, VS Code will start downloading it for you. Once the download finishes, you might see a prompt asking you to restart VS Code. Just click Restart and it'll apply the update automatically. If not, click Help again and click on Restart to update. After it reopens, you can go back to Help and then About to confirm you're on the new version. And that's pretty much it. You can also adjust how often VS Code checks for updates. Click on the gear icon in the lower left and click on Settings. In the search bar box, type in the word Update. From here, look for Update Mode. It is usually set to Default, which automatically checks periodically, but there is also none, Manual and Start. You can read about what they each do as you hover over them. Lastly, above the Mode option is Update Windows Background Updates, which will download and install newer versions for you in the background and will be applied on next restart. That's it. VS Code is now up to date. You can keep coding with the latest features and fixes. Thanks for watching.